Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr from 2022, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold power key and then select power off. When the phone turns off, hold power and volume down at the same time. This will put us into boot mode, this little window right here. So using volume keys, you want to scroll down, and when you see recovery mode right here, press power key. Now before we actually boot into recovery mode, we will be stopped by this. So when you see the Android with no command, hold power key and press volume up once, and this, as you can see, takes us to recovery mode. And here, just as before, you can use volume keys to navigate up and down, and use power key to confirm whatever is selected. Now that in mind, we can reboot the device here and go back to Android. We can go back to bootloader. We can enter fastboot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, factory reset, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the phone. So that's basically all we have, and I will now leave this mode by sticking with the first option, which takes me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.